You're welcome back once again. My name is Victor Digummo here. We are still looking at synthetic division. It's around polynomial. Division of a polynomial of higher degree by a polynomial of lower degree. We've been able to take most of the classes in that division, and then we are trying to look at some other questions we have here from SAT question. We have here this one that says, I'm going to put it up there so that you do it along with me. It says, if the polynomial, if x minus 1 and x plus 1 are both factors of the polynomial ax raised to 4 plus bx raised to 3 minus 3x squared plus 5x, and a and b are constants, what is the value of a? What is the value of a? So if you look at this question, let's think of how we can be able to handle it. So do you realize that if x minus 1 and x plus 1 are factors of this expression, it then means there is going to be, let this expression now, let it be f of x, okay? And if x minus 1 is a factor of this expression, it then means f of 1, because of course we have done a lot of classes around here, so I'm not, please, if you check out those classes, you get my explanation in detail. All right, 1, okay, f of 1, let this be this function. So f of 1 is going to be equal to 0. That's the implication from here. And here, f of minus 1 is also going to be equal to 0. So let's check whether f of 1 here is going to be, not just let's check, that is exactly what it is, because if we, so f of 1 is going to be 0. So by implication, if we come here, we are going to have a in bracket 1 raised to power 4 plus b in bracket 1 raised to power 3 minus 3 in bracket 1 raised to power 2 plus 5 in bracket 1 equals to 0. That's the implication by this statement. Okay. What do we have here? This is a plus b, and this is minus 3, and this is plus 5 equals 0. The meaning is that, the implication is that a plus b, this and this will give us plus 2 equals to 0. And it then means that a plus b is equals to minus 2. You can call it equation 1. And I'll come back again for this. By implication, this is minus 1, f of minus 1. Please, you check out the previous classes. You'll be able to understand why in this. Please, if you check out the previous classes, you'll be able to understand why by x minus x plus 1, I am taking minus 1, as the value of x. So f of minus 1 here, I will have a bracket minus 1 raised to power 4 plus b in bracket minus 1 raised to power 3 minus 3 in bracket minus 1 squared plus 5 in bracket minus 1 equals 0. So this is going to give me a, and this is going to give me minus b, because minus 1 raised to power 3 is minus 1 times b is minus b. Then this is 1. Of course, here will be minus 3. And this is minus 5. Minus 5 equals to 0. So what do I have? I have, of course, this is a minus b. This is minus 8. Minus 8 equals to 0. So I'm going to have the second equation. The first equation I have there is a plus b equals to minus 2. And the second one I have is a minus b equals to 8. Okay, so I'm going to solve this simultaneously. Okay, I'm going to solve them simultaneously. Okay, I'm going to solve them simultaneously, and in doing that, though we are not explaining simultaneous equation, but what we do here is we subtract equation 1 and 2, because when we do that, we can be able to eliminate a. Okay, if we subtract equation 1 and 2, minus into minus will give plus here. So I'm going to be having plus 2b. Okay, okay, 2b equals to, this is minus 10, minus 10. So divide both sides by 2, you're going to have b equals to minus 10 over 2, and then b is equals to 5. If I come back here in equation 1, I will have that a minus 5 equals to minus 2. That means that a is equals to minus 2 plus 5, right? So a is equals to what? 3. A is equals to 3. So this is, look at that question again. Let me put it there. All right. So I'm sure that the explanation I gave is very, very clear. And I'm sure we have been able to pick the correct option in that question. We are going to do more on this synthetic division. Please, you just have to check around, and the way to do it is just to like the video and click on the notification button. Please, if you subscribe to this channel, you are just telling us, oh wow, you are doing good. That is just a way to explain it, and I'm trusting God you are going to do that. Thank you for being there.